I bought something, but it's not for me. It might not even be for you either. What's up? It's Nika with FashioNica. Before I unbox what's inside of here, I wanted to give you guys a little backstory, a prequel before FashioNica actually started. Mother's Day is right around the corner, and I actually grew up in a single parent household. Specifically, my mom raised both my little sister and I. She worked so hard to provide for us. As you can imagine, being a single parent is extremely challenging. So I want to shout out my mom because I know she's watching this. They have to juggle multiple roles. They are not only the breadwinner, they are also the caretaker, they are the decision maker. It's not just about keeping food on the table or paying the bills. It's also about providing the emotional support, the love, and the stability. It's about being strong for your kids, even when times got tough. Even when it might have felt like things were falling apart, my mom showed up every single day with unwavering resilience and dedication. My mom is one of those incredible women who showed me that no matter what challenge you're faced with, it's possible to rise above that challenge and create a life filled with joy, love. What not a lot of people know about FashioNica is the reason I love the thrill of the hunt, the sourcing, the finding things pre-loved is because that's just naturally in my DNA. At a young age, if I wanted to get some cool new outfit, I would turn to Goodwill to find something similar and still feeling extremely confident. Back when it wasn't necessarily cool, but it was cool to me. I find a lot of joy in bringing pre-loved pieces back to life. This one is not pre-loved, nor is it vintage. I actually went to the Chanel store over the weekend and I got something for one of you guys who is a single mom. This is why I'm so passionate about what I do. I hope that FashioNica can be a place where single moms or, you know, someone who is just starting out can find something that's a little bit more accessible. By the way, 99% of the pieces I buy are pre-loved, so this was like one of my first trips and purchases at Chanel. I'm gonna be giving away this beautiful lilac Chanel caviar card holder. It's gold hardware. I actually have a very similar card holder. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize it kind of matches my nails. Since this is the 2024 collection, look at how cute the little interior is. I'm also adding this little chain so that now you could wear it as a little bag if you wanted to. You can either wear it, you know, as a waist bag. You can also wear it as a short shoulder bag. It's adjustable, so you can also wear it as a crossbody as well. How to enter, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Let's be friends and comment below. Nominate your single mom, or if you are a single mom, you can nominate yourself as well. There's a lot of Mother's Day giveaways happening right now, but I don't see too many that are celebrating the single moms out there, so this one is for you. I also wanted to take the time to thank the moms. If you're a single mom, if you are not a single mom, shout out to all the moms out there. You guys are our modern day superheroes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye guys.